Hello students, in this video, today we are going to learn Unit 2 Measurement. Topic Area of the Circle. Example Sums Part 1. Hello students, in this video, today we are going to learn Unit 2 Measurement. Topic Area of the Circle. Area of the circle formula A equal to pi r square unit. First example sum. First question. Find the area of the circle of radius 21 centimeter. Use pi oda value 3.14. What is given? Radius 21 centimeter is given. Area of the circle formula pi r square unit. Pi oda value 3.14. Radius 21. So r square you write 2 times 21 into 21. 21s are 441. Multiple the value 3.14 into 441. So we get answer 1384.74. See the rough work. 314 441 multiple பண்ணிருக்கோம். So we get answer 138,474. So 2 decimal place நால backல இருந்து 2 number before dot வச்சிருக்கோம். Now your answer 1384.74. Now area of the circle equal to 1384.74 centimeter square. Second sum. Find the area of the hula loop whose diameter is 28 centimeter. Pi oda value 22/7. What is given? Diameter equal to 28 centimeter. So diameter equal to 2 into radius. First we find radius. So radius equal to diameter by 2. So 2 table 1 time 28 14 times. So radius equal to 14 centimeter. Now find area of the circle. Area of the circle ku formula pi r square. Pi oda value use 22/7. Radius r square you write radius 2 time 14 into 14. 7 table 7 1 time 14 2 time. Multiple the value 22 into 2. We get answer 44. 44 into 14. See the rough work. 44 into 14. 616. Now your answer is area of the circle 616 centimeter square. Sum. The area of the circular region is 2464 centimeter square. Find it radius and diameter. Use pi oda value 22/7. Given வந்து area of the circular region வந்து 2464. நம்ம radius find out பண்ணிட்டு radius 12 multiple பண்ணா diameter find out பண்ணிடலாம். First area of the circle க்கு formula pi r square. So pi r square equal to area oda value 2464. Pi oda value 22/7 into r square equal to 2464. R square one side. This fraction opposite go to reciprocal 7/22. Now 22 11 table 2 times. Same 2464 11 table 224. 224 into 7/2. 2 table 2 1 time. 224 112 times. Now multiple the value 112 into 7. We get answer 784. R squared equal to 784. Square opposite go to root. So radius equal to root 784. See the rough work. 784 prime factor method number divide பண்ணிருக்கோம். So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 7 into 7. So 2 க்கு we get 1 2 outside. Again 2 க்கு 1 2 outside. நம்ம ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்ல இருந்து நம்ம outside எடுத்துட்டோம். 2 7 க்கு 1 7 outside. ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்ல same number 2 times irundha, so you take one number outside. Now multiple the value. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Now radius oda value 28 centimeter. Next find diameter. Diameter equal to 2 into radius, so 2 into 28. Now what is your diameter answer? 56 centimeter. So radius 28 centimeter, diameter 56 centimeter. This is your answer. Next sum, listen the question. A gardener walks around a circular park of distance 154 meter. If we want to level the park at the rate of rupees 25 per square meter, how much amount will be need? What is given? Distance. So circumference is given. So circumference of the circle equal to 154 meter. First we find radius. The distance covered equal to circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle formula 2 pi r. So 2 pi r equal to 154. 2 அப்படி ரைட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். பையோட வேல்யூ 22/7. Radius equal to 154. First we find radius. So radius one side. This number go to opposite side. So 2/1 opposite go to 1/2. 22/7 opposite go to 7/22. Now 2 table 2 one time 154. 7 2s are 14, balance 1, again 7 2s are 14. So 77 into 7/22. Now 11 table 2 times 77 வந்து 11 table 7 times. So multiple the value. 7 7s are 49/2. So divide the value, we get answer radius 24.5 centimeter. Next we find area of the circle. So area of the park. So per square meter அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்கனால நம்ம area of the park find out பண்ணுறோம். So area of the park வந்து formula pi r square. பையோட வேல்யூ 22/7. Radius equal to 24.5 centimeter. So r squared. So you write 2 times 24.5, 24.5. So 7 table 7 one time. So 24 வந்து 3 times 21. 7 3s are 21. Balance 3. So the dot வச்சுக்கிறோம். 35. 5 times 7 5s are 35. Now multiple the value. 22 into 3.5 into 24.5. So we get answer 1886.5 meter square. The 3 number multiple panna we get answer 1886.5 meter square. So cost of leveling per meter square ku 25 rupees. So cost of leveling of the park per square meter equal to rupees 25. Now cost of leveling of the park, how many meter square? 1886.5 meter square. So multiple the value 1886.5 into 25. Now we get answer 47,162.50 paise. Now your answer is 47,162.50. This is your answer.